Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about one more new features inside the Photoshops. It's called mesh color. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to match the colors in between two images. Okay, so we can match one color to other image. Okay, let's go ahead and do the practice how to do that. Then you will come to know how to match color with the Photoshops. Alright, go ahead and do it. Next, I'm going to open my Photoshop. I already opened my Photoshops and I created two images from the AI websites to show you how to do this practice. Okay, so I'm going to file and open. It is in my YouTube videos in here and match color here. I select this two image and I'm going to open here. One image is evening scenes and other one is sunrise. Okay, we'll see how it works. Just open two image and like that. It's animation image I created by some softwares. Okay, here see like a evening, like a reddish sky, and you can see other one, and it's like a very bright, very shiny scene. Okay, let's go ahead and do the practice with these two. First of all, duplicate this image. It's much better duplicate before do the editing or anything inside the Photoshops. Okay, now it's very easy and but it's very important how do you want to change the color situation inside the photos in the Photoshops. Okay, to do that, go to image and adjustment, and in here mesh color. Alright, now we open one dialog box in here, and in here you can see the destination image and source image. This is the source image, but we are selecting for the source, and other one will getting effect with the into this source image. All right, okay, and in here we are going to select evening scene. Okay, I selected this is the evening scene, and then so I'm going to apply this image to other one. Okay, for the sunrise, here is the see target is sunrise because we opened already two images. That's why it's showing our target image is sunrise. It's already selected from here. Okay, and then in here if you want you can adjust some adjustment also, and luminance and color intensity, fade, whatever you want you can select like that, and see, and fade in, fade out, and if you want to select you can go like that. Okay, more dark like that. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, just I'll keep random like this, whatever, and I'm going to press the OK button. Alright, just go ahead and press the OK button. Let's see what I'm going to do. This image, other one now that image how it is. Okay, now if you turn off the effect, now you can see what is the difference. You can see it now. See the big difference in between whatever our original image and so after we make some edited that image. It's very nice, and you can apply like this. You can, when you are working, if you are working with some software, so somewhere some like open platforms, if you are working like like fiber or whatever, so then like color situations, if someone wants to change the color and situations of the scene, and you can use like these things with the Photoshops. Alright, a short tutorials, and go ahead and do your practice, so then you can enhance more your Photoshop knowledge. Alright, okay, go ahead and do the practice. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are happy with this video and these tutorials, just you can press the like button and you can comment. And so what is your idea about that? You can comment it, and if any issues or anything, then you can type below in the comment sections, then I will reply when I see in as soon as possible, so that I will help you to whatever my knowledge capacity. So I'm really happy to share with you, and whatever I know and my knowledge, I'm like to happy to share with you. All right, thank you very much.